Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a classic turn-based game that recently added on Netflix. How you can get Battleship games on Netflix. This one. So if you subscribe Netflix, also not also you can watch movie, you can play the games. To cure your boredom, Netflix added new turn-based game. Recently added this is the Battleship. This is a classic one, but a new interface, 3D or 2D interface. Here we go. Sing or be sung. Deploy smart tactics and powerful arsenal to bring down your opponent's hidden fleet in this classic guessing game. Conquer and collect, so you have to guess where's your enemy. There is a 1 versus 1 multiplayer mode. You can choose the fleet by ranking up, and here we go, your avatar also here. So it's very fun to play this game with your friend. Please install this game to cure your boredom. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.